That's not how you say hello. This is how you say hello. You say hi. You say howdy. You say welcome and thank you, pals. First off, I want to say a big, huge thank you to everybody that stopped by to the live unboxing last Thursday. That was a lot of fun. I guess at one point in time, there were like over 100 people on the live stream, which is, I guess, good numbers. I don't really know because I'm not a live streamer, and I kind of also just don't know what I'm doing in general. So I appreciate it big time. It sounded good. The video was fun. I'm probably going to be doing more, so I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you didn't, that's totally cool. You can go back and you can watch it if you want. The box itself was really, really good. So all that stuff from that box will be on the website this Friday. What website am I talking about? Well, fella and or fella-et. Talking about my own website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. And who am I? I didn't even introduce myself. How rude. Hello, I'm SB Mitch. Here's my info. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you feel like it. This is a channel. This is a YouTube channel. Completely prepared for what I'm doing. Two things this week. Here's the first thing. If you're a fan of animation or stop motion film, you probably know about a studio called Laika. They're responsible for films like, let's see, The Box Trolls, Tim Burton's Corpse Bride, Kubo, Paranorman. Now, what does that have to do with shoes or sneakers or whatever? This pair is the extremely limited pair of the Paranorman foamposites. These, I think you could only get these if you participated in some kind of contest, like they weren't actually made available for public sale, but resale on these things is like $5,000. It's astronomical because they only released like 800 pairs of them, but it was to coincide with the release of this movie called Paranorman. Now, the correlation between Nike and Laika Studios is not only are they both located outside of Portland, Oregon, but Laika is also owned by Nike co-founder Phil Knight. Laika's most successful movie, Coraline, is also responsible for a very limited sneaker, and probably one of the most sought after pairs of sneakers if you're a dunk collector. Fast forward to this box. Now, you guys know, if you're fans of the channel, that I get these beater boxes from Sole Supremacy, but they also have eBay auctions. And the nice thing about their eBay auctions is they start every single thing at 99 cents plus shipping, which is pretty crazy because some of their stuff goes for really, really expensive. And every once in a while, there'll be a gem on there that you can get for at market or even under market sometimes. I've bought from them numerous times on top of the beater boxes from their eBay auctions, and it's crazy legit, so definitely check that out. It's, I think, Sole Supremacy sales on eBay. I am extremely excited about this pair. It's close to my size, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear them because this is definitely a collector piece. Dang, this is awesome. Lace bags still attached. Wow. This is the 2009 Coraline Dunk High, limited to 2,000 pairs. This is the postcard that came with it. It says, "Congratulations on being a winner in the Coraline Nike Dunk giveaway. Enclosed, you will find the custom Nike Dunk shoes you won." So this is absolutely a prize. This is crazy. This is a pretty significant part of the shoe. One of the main plot lines in Coraline is that the main character is trying to get convinced into staying in a like different dimension or realm or something like that. But one of the terms of her staying in this place is that her eyes are to be replaced with buttons. So that's what that has to do with it. This is a crazy shoe. There's leather and it's real soft. It's got this like burlap material on it. Oh, these are so cool. Lace bag still attached on a 2009, limited to 2,000 pairs. This is awesome. I am super, super pumped on these. Everyone definitely check out Sole Supremacy's eBay auctions because you can find some crazy rare stuff like this. That is real, real cool. I am very excited about those. Secondly, big old box. This box is humongous, as you can tell from what it says, green L box. Now this is something that I could have not got. Like, there was no chance I would be able to get it without the help of returning pal to the channel. You guys know him. I love him. He's a really good dude. One of the most legitimate sellers I've ever met in my entire life. Definitely give him a follow on Twitter. His handle is @edog10090. He actually went out of his way to check these out for me because he knows how much of an SB fan I am. I'm still just shocked that my order didn't get canceled because, I mean, if you were paying attention to the Concepts release of these, you know that they canceled a lot of orders. Yeah. Whoop, I just hit the camera thing. If you don't know what this is by now, then I don't know what to tell you. Ooh, I just cut both stickers, ooh. This is one of the nicest touches of a release in a long time. And this is the inside of the thing. Nothing crazy, just got embossment of the Concepts logo and the Nike logo on the back. But this is the actual shoe. It is a quick strike release collaboration with Concepts International. If you saw the video like 2 weeks ago of me unboxing these already, I got a pair from StockX and I paid way more than I should have. Live and learn, I guess. This is the extremely limited, I don't know how limited, but limited enough, Nike Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike OG Green Lobster. Coincided with the Purple Lobster release from a couple months ago, and y'all probably already know about the red, blue, and yellow lobster Concepts has released before. This is a really awesome shoe. I was very shocked about the purple ones, and I am just as shocked about these. It's got nubuck, mudguard, the toe box, the side panel, and even some of the heel is this really low pile suede. The thing that gets me about these is this lighter colored outsole. I'm not a huge fan of a black midsole unless the outsole is a very, very different color and there's a good contrast. That's what this has to do with it. So, big fan of this. And also a really huge fan of Mr. EDog10090. Definitely give that dude a follow on Twitter. I could not have gotten this shoe without him. Like, thank you. He's always got crazy good amounts of inventory, like really good inventory for sale for good prices too. So definitely check him out if you have Twitter. And if you don't have Twitter, you might as well get on there and start following EDog because he is the man. So, I mean, I've already seen these in person, but these are just so impressive. I'm surprised I like them. And that is all I got for you this week. I'm not gonna do my unpopular opinion thing. I don't really have much to say because this is gonna be a big week. There's gonna be a lot of unboxings and another beater box coming out. So if you have a free second, Brick 66 volume something or other is going on right now live on my eBay page. It started off as 37 listings. There are 35 of them left now, but it's all auction style that ends next Sunday. Auctions started at $6.66 plus shipping, no reserve, or you can find the link in the description below. You can also visit my dumb website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. Any of the shoes from the last beater box will be up this Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time because it always updates on Fridays at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you again to EDog10090. Everyone make sure to check him out on Twitter. And that's really all I got for you. So I have another video coming the next couple days. It's gonna be a good one, so you're gonna wanna tune in for that. So until then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that. Because it's the easiest way to be happy. Why not be happy? See ya!